About 70 kilometers from Chittagong by road is Rangamati, the Lake District of Bangladesh, situated on the Kaptai Lake, the largest man-made lake in Asia. Rangamati is famous for its rare scenic beauty and unspoiled tribal life. For visitors who seek solitude, Rangamati is a peaceful paradise. Greater Hill Tract district of Rangamati is inhabited by a number of distinctive enterprising tribes like the Chakmas, the Tripuras, the Murongs, all preserving their age-old cultures, colourful rituals, dance and music. Cruising in the Kaptai Lake will take you closer to discovering the endless beauty of nature. A trip by boat from Rangamati to Kaptai, another attractive tourist spot of the country, will gladden one's heart. One should not forget to look for exciting bargains in various tribal handicraft shops before leaving Rangamati.